For the repair of the engine controller M2500 by Selco, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 220-volt AC power supply. By activating the engine controller M2500, the unit responds accordingly, and the LEDs light up in alignment with the command we send. This confirms that the system is properly receiving and executing the engine controller instructions as expected. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the engine controller M2500 by Selco is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.